lot of things going on. To be honest, I do not feel any, I'm not seeing any excitement going on in an intensified way, but you know, we have to wear masks when we go in the streets, you know, like public transport or public places. If we are out in the town, we have to wear a mask. And then you have controllers, the government people working up and down the streets to control who is wearing masks or who is not wearing masks and stuff like that. Like a while ago, I was walking with my mask just over my mouth in the street, and one of these ladies who walking out controlling people said to me, "Oh, you have to put it over your nose." So I just slide it over my nose and just, when I reach a little bit down the road, I just slide it off back. You know what I mean?
And it's not.
In Corona case, it's not nice here at this moment, brother. It's not nice here
Yes,
at all. This Corona thing, you know?
Yes, I agree. I agree. But now, so talking about this difficulty, how do you combine this with music?
Say that again, my brother.
Talking about this difficulty that we're all going through, talking about the coronavirus and your music career. What are the effects that you're going through so far as the corona is concerned with your music industry?
Well, we are, I as a person, and I think all the artists, we are going through financial difficulties in terms of we cannot be on the road to do shows and to do tours or as such, you know what I mean? But